ng ulan. December. Weird when people sell their personal stuff online, and as part of the reason, kasi kadalasan mga tao, they want to put at the RFS, reason for selling. Parang kailangan lang, siguro acceptable na yung term na decluttering, pero you have to say stuff like was given in a gift and not used. Eh, paano kung nakita nung nagregalo ng gift yun, di ba? Parang taka lang. As a culture, no, we are the type of people na kaya kilala tayo for like being a very hospitable nation. Kasi as a culture, we don't say no. We always say yes. And na-realize ko lang, it's because of that same culture. On one side, nahihiya tayong humindi or tumanggi. Number two, we get offended when people tell us no. And regardless of what that reason is, hindi natin matanggap. We feel bad. That's why we should stop that. We should respect the decision of some people and not feel bad about it. Talaga. Regardless if the reason is hindi talaga niya kaya o talagang ayaw lang niya, even if kaya niya, we should respect it and not feel bad. As I was getting ready to go to today's memorial service, may nakita kasi akong post sa social media about, again, the usual human divide. Diba? Like yung those who like Hawaiian pizza and those who don't. Stuff like that. And there's a recent divide. And it is with fashion. And at first, natawa naman ako kasi majority of the people were on a certain side, and I thought na parang, yeah, naturally. And that fashion debate was whether you would, when you wear your shoes with socks, do you put left sock, right sock, then left shoe, right shoe? Or do you wear right sock, right shoe, left sock, left shoe? Kumbaga, sock, shoe, or sock, shoe, shoe. And most of the posts that I saw online were all sock, shoe, shoe. And I was like, yeah, naturally. Pero lang ngayon, naisip ko lang, I was putting my shoes on. Sock, shoe pala ako. Parang I'm more about efficiency kasi nakati-4 ako. So instead of 2 beses, 4 na beses ako magdidi-4, 2 beses na lang para, diba? Or is it just a fat person thing? Kayo man. How do you put your socks and shoes? Comment below. What a tiring day. Finished day 2 of the memorial service. Remember when I said yesterday that ang ganda ng atmosphere kahapon? Well, tonight was even more, mas masaya eh. Everybody was jumping, everybody was laughing during praise and worship. And I think that's exactly what my friend wanted. The family said na ang request niya was to be cremated and then to have her ashes scattered sa dagat. That's a beautiful request. We will miss you. We'll see you soon. Not too soon though, pero we'll see you.